So today I'm going to rebuild this Holley carburetor off of a 305 International Harvester. It's a 1969. It's kind of our shop truck thing that we have been playing with for years. So first things first, I'm going to take off I already loosened it, but I'm going to take off my choke. And there's just little clips here to hold that together. This is all going to get cleaned and painted and make it look pretty. Put that off to the side. And then next I'm going to start removing our bowl. See the big old Holley logo there. Rocky, get down. And we'll just pull this off. Someone, I'm not naming names, by the name of Schmort, tried to rebuild this himself before without using a rebuild kit, and it didn't work. So today we're going to do it properly, and hopefully we can drive this truck this summer and actually use it as it was intended. Not a lot of guys know anything about carburetors anymore. It's kind of sad. It's kind of a lost art. Not that I'm very good with them either, but you know, I can slap them together and they usually run when I'm done. Nope. So inside of here, I don't know if you can see. So this is our float. So this, as our fuel pump pumps fuel in through here, comes in through a chamber, and it fills this cavity full of fuel. And this rises up and down. So when it's full, you got this little seat right here that actually closes off our fuel flow, and that's what stops it. Man, this is nasty on the inside, eh? And this right here is our accelerator. This is our accelerator pump, but it's got little cavities through the carburetor, through here and here, comes up, and that's actually what squirts our fuel in. And this was our problem the first time I took it apart, or Schmort took it apart. The accelerator pump was just, the diaphragm is gone and it was totally worn. So I tried to fix it, being creative, and it, well, never even got far enough to see if that part worked, because it leaked like a sieve. Couldn't even try to start the truck, never mind. So you can see this diaphragm, there's no real rubber left on it at all. It's just completely worn. So in a kit mode, wouldn't that be my luck? Open the kit upside down. Comes with all the clips. This is a generic kit for a 4-barrel. We have a 2-barrel, so I just kind of have to make do with that. And then you got your plates for all your other pieces, and your diaphragm, brand new diaphragm. So should all work to assemble this and make it run. And then reassemble. So I'll cut back once I got everything cleaned up and ready to go. Peekaboo!
You need a fucking wife.
Okay, so I got my carb all cleaned up. I did put the throttle plate back on just because I'm used to working without doing videos. So now I'm just gonna start reassembling all my diaphragms. I got new everything. So here's our new piece, new gaskets. This guy's gonna go in here.
Okay. So.
Come on now. Things don't have to be super tight on these, just snug is good enough.
Oh, it started to move by itself.
There.
Go all the way, eh?
Make sure we're moving for you, we're good.
Put a little fucking WE-40 on there. April stick.
The diagnostic, I think you get 2 weeks, right?
Missing the gasket here, just one. Rocky.
So, did we get approved?
Just to clean everything up, I always go on all my seam
Yeah, do we have another
surface.
clip for it, or?
Just a little scrub here with
We had a bunch, so how do we work this one?
some Scotch-Brite.
Okay,
Make sure
you know
it's
what
all
fucking's going on
clean.
this one?
Because I don't want to look kind of fancy.
This is